Good morning. Good morning. This is how it's always right here. Look at this. Damn. Oh my gosh. Sheesh, look at this. Holy shit. Look at this. I don't know how I'm gonna make it. That is my pigeon loft right here. Look at this, what is happening here right now. Oh my gosh. How is it bad? How bad is it? 아주 그런 데는 앞들에. Look at this. Top of the glass. Who wants to sit here? Who wants to sit? Come on. Oh my god. Big Tommy. Ooh. Ooh. Pigeons. Holy crap. Gotta go right here. Okay, now I have to look for shovel. Shovel is right here. Too much. It's too much. It's too much today. Too much. Too much. I have to clean them. hope they are good today. Didn't get cold. I think so. Let me see. Damn. This little got snow instead of it. Others pigeons are good. Yep, they are good. Yep. It's hot inside of it. Let me see how's the baby one. Oh, their baby is good. Let me see how's the baby here too. They are good a little bit. Yeah. Maybe they are good too, yup. The two babies right here, they're good. The older baby, they are good too, okay? They're almost scared. So now we got some a little bit inside of it. How you doing, everybody? Good? Yeah. The little girl no fit here. Are you guys good? Yeah. They might be good. Yeah. Let's grab food for them. Food. Yeah, come on. Come on right here. Come on. Come on. They should be good. Yeah, so you're good with eggs.